Hey there and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to justify text in Canva, a super handy skill that can make your designs look much more polished and professional. If you've ever wanted your words to line up neatly along the edges, just like you see in magazines or newspapers, then stick around. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to do it step by step, and you'll leave with a design that has that clean, balanced look that always stands out. Let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open up Canva. If you haven't already got an account, you'll need to sign up. It's totally free for basic usage, and then once you're in, you'll be greeted with Canva's homepage. This is your command center for all things design, so get comfortable with it. Now look up at the top right of the screen for the big, colorful button labeled Create. Go ahead and click that. This is where you start any new project in Canva, whether it's a social media post, a flyer, or in our case, a custom-sized design. You'll see an option called Custom Size pop up. Click on that and now you'll want to set your canvas dimensions. For this demo, let's set it to 100 by 50 pixels. These dimensions might look a bit unusual, but using a small canvas is great for testing and it makes it super easy to see how text alignment changes things. Enter those numbers, then hit Create New Design. Canva will spin up a fresh workspace for you to play with. With your blank canvas ready, it's time to add some text. Rather than starting with an empty text box, let's select a template that has words already in place. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a panel with lots of pre-made templates. Scroll through until you find something with a block of text. Click it, and Canva will drop it right onto your canvas. Templates can be huge time savers, and they also give you a preview of how your text could interact with different design elements. Alright, now where the magic happens. Click directly on any sentence or text block in your template to select it. You'll see a bounding box around the words, and up at the top you'll get a mini toolbar with formatting options. Look for an icon that controls text alignment. It usually looks like several horizontal lines stacked up. This is your alignment tool. Click it and you'll see different ways to line up your text: left, center, right, and justify. Keep clicking through the alignment options and watch how your text changes position. For justify, what you're aiming for is to make both the left and right sides of your text line up evenly, kind of like the edges of a picture frame. In Canva, fully justified text will push words right up against both sides of your text box, so everything looks tidy and symmetrical. Sometimes, depending on your font or the size of your text box, you might notice small gaps between words. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect on the first try. You can always tweak the length of your sentence or adjust the box until it's just right. It might take a moment or two, but playing around here really helps you get a feel for Canva's text tools. And just like that, you've justified your text. It's a powerful little trick to give your designs a crisp, unified feel. Whether you're making presentations, social media posts, or invitations, justified text keeps everything looking sharp and professional. Thanks for hanging out with me and following along today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want more design tips. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new Canva tutorial. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next one.